principles of aerodynamics. The principle of aerodynamics talks about how objects move through the air. The principle of aerodynamics. How objects move through the air. You know, in Nigeria at some point, a lot of people are talking about restructuring, let's restructure the nation and all of that. Even as individuals, sometimes we need to restructure our life. Some people, the reason they are not making more money or the reason they are not hitting their goal is because of this kind of structure they are working with. Yes, the kind of structure they are working with. Sometimes we may need to reinvent ourselves to become a better person. Somebody said the more you learn, the more you earn. Did you hear that? The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you earn. You know, when just the initial example I gave, 30K per month to 360K per month, the difference, this fellow here knows how to earn 30,000 per month. This one here knows how to earn 360,000 per month. It's knowledge. The difference here is K, knowledge. He knows how. The money that some people make in a day, some people will never make it throughout their lifetime. And it's knowledge. This one know how to make this. It may be 100 million naira per month. And somebody will never make it in his lifetime. Even if he lives like 100 years or 120 years, he will never make that kind of amount of money. Why? It does not have the consciousness. It does not know how. If this person is shown how to do it, he will do it. So it's awareness. It's awareness. So the more you learn, the more you earn. And I want to congratulate you for you to have watched this video to this level. It shows that you are committed to transforming your financial life. I want to quickly focus on two things that you have to do on a consistent basis to be successful in this business. This is real estate combined with network marketing business model. Just two things that you have to do, and that involve: number one, make effort to sell. Make effort to sell. You know, this is not a get rich quick syndrome. No, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You make effort to sell, and you make this effort on a consistent basis. How do you do this? Very simple. All the social media platforms, make sure you are posting on those platforms on a consistent basis. Make sure you are posting content, useful content, meaningful content on a consistent basis. Sometimes you may even need to send an SMS. Plots of land for sale in Lekki-Ajah, prices from 600,000 naira. For more information, contacts. That's an SMS in there. You send it to your contact. As you do that on a consistent basis, some of the people on your contacts that are interested will begin to contact you. So, and then the second thing you need to do on a consistent basis, build your team. Build your team. Don't try to do it alone. Build your team. Talk to other people about the business. Talk to other people about the business, because the time will come, even if you don't sell and your team members are selling, you are still making money. So imagine the case study, our case study, Splendor Estates, Oko-Ado is that is selling for 1.2 million, or the one that is selling for 600,000. So if your team members sell and you are earning 60K, imagine 5 of your team members sell in a month. That's 60,000 times 5. That's 300,000. And the more you build your team, the more your team grow, the more your income grow. So these two things are very, very important. They are the hearts of the business. You make effort to sell. You keep talking to people, everybody in and around you. I remember one of my partners, he was introduced to a prospective buyer in UK by a cleaner. Just a cleaner introducing. I know this person in UK. Take his contact and call him. And I called him. I got your number from this fellow. And that one acknowledged the fact that he knows her. And this person bought property that was about 40 million from my business partner. So imagine where that help came from. Somebody that some person may even think that this one is not it's not going to amount to anything. The person is a gate man, is a security man. You know, a man that is old. I think the man is over 60 years old, and he connected me to his younger sister in UK. I never knew he had a family in UK, and his family member helped me to make a sales that worth 24 million naira. This is my own experience. So don't write anybody off. Anybody could connect you. And that was why I mentioned those two categories of people. Those that have money to buy and those that does not have money to buy. All of them, they have their roles to play in this business. So, and if you know how to leverage on those resources, on those opportunities, because people are opportunity. People are opportunity. So if you know how to leverage on those contacts that you already have, they will connect you to bigger contacts. And this same person is also on the verge of helping me to close another deal. And this person in UK was connected. I was connected to her by her elder brother here in Nigeria. That is a security man. He's over 60 years old. No wife, no children, that the society will think this one is not doing well, and yet he had a connection that could help me to move forward. So you don't look down on anybody. Anybody could help you. So take this seriously. Build your team. Talk to everybody about the business. Join the team. All you have to do is to operate this business from your mobile phone. This entire business model I'm trying to explain could be done from your mobile phone, especially if you use a smartphone. Yes, either Android or iPhone or whatever. The entire business model could be operated. You can operate it from your mobile phone. All you have to do is to keep doing the marketing on various social media. As you begin to generate money from the business, you will now move your marketing campaign to the next level.